Shout this out to Ramses Ford and Kiesha Thurman. They helped me out a little bit. And do this all for the Dragon City niggas. We about to play Dragon City. We got our dragons. We about to go hard like a station wagon. We about to do the fire. We about to do the earth. Hit these niggas hard and they wish they wasn't birthed. They think they all raw, but they haven't seen me. I'm the best Dragon City ever player on the league. And this I'm best in the league. They can't stop me cause I'm fatality. You can't kill death and death kills you. I'm a killer, and you are Pikachu. I know I'm fucking around. You think you all hard. You think you are Chester mixed with Bernard. Goldie Bernard and Kenny Jordan. They went out one time. They had best friends. They were best friends. Till they broke the fuck up. Now they up like that nigga named Chuck. And this rap ain't over. Chuck Taylor's like my college school name is Baylor. We ain't stopping till we get what we want. It's like an ice cream flavor in the swamp. Now we going one more time. Look like a dude with a clock on his line sign like a lemon lime. Make your face like a sour in the hours of my life. It's this right and this is my life. You better get it straight, nigga, or you'll give you a lie. This right, make a PB and jelly. Ugly little nigga, he look like a belly.